Okay, yeah. So what is happening? Children are out of the class, okay? So the corrective measurement is also taken. Teachers have actually, both the teachers have reacted, I think, in the right way. Now, second one was stealing. Okay. So here, what exactly should happen? We have to deal with counseling. Okay, we have to counsel the student, and also, I think there also they did not, because this child did not feel bad. Nothing was spoken to the child in front of other students, and this later the teacher said, separately you wanted to counsel. So that part is over. What about the third scene? Okay. Now such children, you have to look more carefully. What could be the reason? Attention seeking, attention grabbing could be one of the reasons, or might be there could be something, at the home background also, that there is no one for the child to speak, and because he wanted, or it could be in some cases like whenever there is a attention deficiency, they do this thing. Somehow they wanted to let others know that he is a very smart child. He wanted to establish that. In order to do that, so here in this case, I think we are seeing the children with different kind of psychological disorders. If you note, in scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, which must be tackled very, very carefully. Very carefully, sensitive issues this could be. And